Baba.
Kati oyo musajja oyo. Benga tio ekuza omulimu. Lwakuba nti obuzi bwaffe bwali butono senga zaali nzito.
Wakikola otya okutandika project?
This is Nankusi mixed farm, and we are actually also specialized in so many things, but particularly this is good farming. An idea that I came up with as a youth to actually get myself out of the poverty that Mr. President, Mr. Museveni is alleviating. So this is a project that I think in the next or coming years will get me out of the situation that most of my fellow youth are actually suffering with. That's the unemployment. And so that's why I came up with this idea to see that I put myself into a life that any youth would also want to be in. So that's why at the moment I'm carrying out this to see that I get a life that I would wish for any other person of my age would be wishing, but within a very short period of time. And so that's why we are doing this.
How many goats did you start with, and how many do you have now?
I started with particularly 20, and that was while I was still at campus about 6 years ago. But because I was on and off, that's why the number wasn't multiplying as expected. And so I had some setbacks because of management. But now that I am now fully involved, now the numbers are increasing. Right now we are now in the number of 80. And so that's why we are thinking that in the next coming 2 years or 3 years, we are having a goal of about 300 or 400 animals.
Okay.
And we are steadily moving.
So far, have you started selling some?
Yes, we have started.
Okay.
Yes.
How much does a mature one go for?
A mature one goes for about 500,000. That is for a female. And for the breeders, if you want a male or a buck, then that goes for about 700 or 800,000.
Okay.
It depends on the breed.
Challenges?
Challenges, we have diseases this side, probably because our neighborhoods are also doing this on small scale, and they are not doing as expected. And so that's where we find challenges of disease where if their animals are attacked by diseases, we're also affected. But we are also trying to come up with an idea of trying to train fellow youth around to encourage them come up with this idea, but also understand the nitty-gritties that are required of them progressing with this kind of idea.
Big sister, what is your take on his project?
What did you study at university?
I studied telecommunication engineering.
So we want to congratulate you because as a telecom engineer, you can also have your own workshop as a professional person as well for maybe a government opportunity job.
Exactly.
But this is very important because for everybody there must be some income that you start with.
Absolutely.
So both have a big market, and improving the breed is very good. If your neighbors start getting, then you'll be able to share the costs, but also the support from extension services. Congratulations, we are very excited, and other youth should learn from you.
I also hand over.
Thank you.
Big sister, now what?
Musanyufu kubanga ndowooza nze kati amaanyi gagenda ganzigwa naye kakati awo mumusimbye ddala.
So the knowledge you've received from school as a telecom engineer is good, but also the knowledge of a leader and an income generator is also good. So that you're going to be a very good example to our community of younger people here in Mbale City, specifically Nankusi and Namanyoni. So congratulations. Let other youth come and learn from you. So that this younger energy after school, you not just be sleeping and being on phone, WhatsApp. You should come and start learning about. Now you're going to begin Googling and searching about goats, about the market, about the breed, about the excellent services. So congratulations. kandabeko kweri ente this is really nice ente za muzeeyi
yo project yange
naye katugirabeko wanu start of the day. That is good. Hey. Kataji feeding. Zilya guno muddo ko ba okola.
No better tulinago. This of course they are on zero grazing. So we have pasture. Anti nakugamba nti oli ku mazzi nange nga bwe ndi ku mazzi.
Ndi ku mazzi haji. Naye kanjiye ntandikewo. Tujja kunkolera.
Tutambule nga bwe tusimbudde.
Abataka bagambe nti tulina omuti.